One of the major ideas in algebra is solving equations. Now we have here a function, and I'm going to point to the function right here. That's the function, f of x equals 5x minus 4. You can read f of x as if it's saying y, like the letter y, equals 5x minus 4. That's usually what it means. But sometimes we say f of x just to make it really clear that this is a function of x. Now, it says solve the equation below, and the word equation is a little bit different. That implies that a function equals something. So in this case, the function that I just underlined above is equal to -6. So we're making an equation out of this, and we're going to solve the equation. I'm just going to write what the real equation is that we're trying to solve. We're trying to solve 5x minus 4, that's your function, equals -6. You guys see how I just took this thing and plugged it in right there? So the way we solve this is by using algebra, and the most common tool is simply adding or subtracting to both sides, and I'm going to do that here. So you can imagine that if I add 4 to the left and I add 4 to the right, the equation is balanced, right? I'm doing the same thing to both sides. So we get 5x equals -2. And I still don't have a solution because a solution says x equals something, and I have 5x equals something. So I need to get rid of that 5x. Because that's multiplication, the only way you can get rid of it is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. Okay, and let's see what happens then. The 5's cross out. This just becomes x equals a fraction, -2/5. Sometimes fractions will happen. That doesn't mean you're wrong. Okay, I would put this in my answer box like this. Sometimes you'll get integers, like whole numbers, and that's fine too. Sometimes you'll get something that doesn't exist, usually to more complicated equations. If you are sure that there is no solution, you can try entering D and E. There will be equations like that where there's just no answer. But for the most part, you should get integers or fractions.